Alright, so we got Gamestop here in the overnight session, trading about around where it was in the after hours. A massive spike up from early morning's pre-market low of about 30 bucks. And then when it opened the day, it opened about 31.70 and it was trading up to about 34, then down to 32.50, up to 34. And then about 9 to 10 is when Roaring Kitty announced that he was going to be coming back to YouTube tomorrow. And from there, I had to spike up. I was doing a little live stream just testing. And right as it hit 37, it was kind of stalling out for a minute because on last Sunday is when he announced his position and the reverse Uno card. And Sunday in the 24-hour market over here on Robinhood, GameStop was trading 27.50, and then when pre-market traded started Monday, it hit all the way up to 47, and then when market opened Monday, it sliced down from like 42 to 38 really quickly. So that 37 to 38 hump was a pretty big barrier today, just based on the week's trading. You can see it spiked up top and then spiked down to 36 and spiked up again. From there it went pretty quick all the way up to 44, got halted, dropped back down to the 37.50 or so from the initial breakout point, and then from there to the end of the day it just went pretty heavy volume, spiked all the way up to about 47. And I mean, huge volume today considering days in the past. 193 million volume. I remember even the last few times you had heavy volume like this, it was only like 120 million volume. So you got 193 million in volume. And then after hours is really where it started spiking. And literally, it like tried to break down. It only broke down to like 45. I had my order in at 40. I was trying to pick a couple hundred shares up at 40. So I'm bummed it didn't fill the gap down here, because otherwise I would have made a quick 50%. Because after just trading about 46 for about an hour, it spiked up to 50. Then it spiked all the way up to 65 before crashing in the 24-hour market back down to 54. And then it's been pretty stable about 59.65 here. But yeah, what a wild day today, because Roaring Kitty. And then you got news all over the place. And it's funny, Dave Portnoy now says he's a genius because he held some stock. It's like, the people who are geniuses are the ones who are held the options. Because let's take a look at some of the options, right? Let's see who are expiring 8 days out. So like, these are way farther out too. And we'll look at the price change here. And this is today by close, not to mention what they'll open at tomorrow, because the stock's up another 25-30% overnight. But 400%, 300%, 350%, even when you get all the way down to like the 45 to 40 calls, those are all up 200 to 250%. The closer you are towards the money, the less premium you're going to get. How you make a lot of money on the options is when you're out of the money and then it rolls deep into the money. But yeah, crazy. And then, oh wow, yeah, it's just craziness. What a wild day for everyone holding GameStop. Congrats to all the longs, you made bank. But yeah, it'll be even wilder tomorrow. See if it fills the gap down to 40 bucks or if it just starts going parabolic. Any which way, signing out for now. See you a bit later. Oh yeah, hit the likes button, subscribe, and then of course if you want to be trading 24-hour market, you gotta do it on Robinhood. So if you're not signed up with them yet, maybe sign up in the link down below. Anyways, have a good day all.